Hey boys and girls, Miss Moore here. I just washed my hair, so I'm a little fluffy right now, so bear with me. I wanted to kind of give you an introduction to this memory book. Don't stress about it. This is just for your fun. But I do ask that you fill out every blank. Um, Pretty much my only rule with this is don't delete anything. If it gives you a spot to write something in there. And there are several slides that go to this memory book. Let's see. There's 20 slides that ask you several different things, so you don't have to finish this all today. Take this week to just have fun with it. The first thing that I want you to do whenever you open up this memory book is I want you to come up here to the top, and instead of it saying first name right here, I want you to highlight it and write your first name. Let's delete that comma. And then type in your last name. Please use capital letters. And that's the only thing that I want you to change about the title of it. So that way it says, for this example, Kayla Moore's memory book or Savannah Ackerman's memory book. That way I'll just know that it has each of your different names on it. So then after that, which I'm going to undo that because you'll need to type it in. After that, like I said, the only rule is don't delete anything. To type something in, you can double click and the text box will come up. You can change the font to whatever you want as long as I can read it. You can change the color of the font, the size of the font. It doesn't matter as long as I can read it and as long as it's not teeny tiny or super super big. So you'll put your name here. I'm not going to go through each of these slides. Now, if something happened and you double clicked, let's say we accidentally deleted the text box. If you let me know, I can come in and reinsert that text box for you, or you can put your own. You can come up here, text box, click on it, and you can just put it where it's at. If it's not as big as you want it to be, you can make it bigger, you can make it longer. You can really make this your own. You can put a border around it if you want. You can change the thickness of your border. Or if you don't want a border, wrong button. See, now it has a border. If I double clicked on this and I clicked on the border color and made it transparent, I wouldn't have a border. Pretty much everything on here has a border though. That way you can see where you need to type. Again, if it doesn't show you, if your cursor doesn't come up where you need to type at after you double click on it, I can fix that. It's not a big deal. Just send me a message. So we have an all about me. If your text box isn't big enough, you can make it bigger. Have fun with this. Be creative. Play around with Google Slides because you're going to be using it in middle school, I promise. Don't give me just blah answers. My favorite song is Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. Like, give me things that are important to you. And if it is Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, then okay. But don't just rush through this. Take your time on this. I'm not going to be impressed if you complete this in one day. I want you to take your time and have fun with it. Change the fonts, change the colors. Be creative in what you tell me. I did want to tell you that, I'm running out of time. Really quickly before I run out of time. There's a part where you can write a letter to your teacher. You can do one to me or Miss Elkins, or you could do one to both. Add another text box. If you have any questions, let me know. Have fun with this, guys. Love you all.